How's it going, everybody? It's Sean here, and I'm back today to give you guys a long overdue review of the Adidas Yung-1 in the high-res orange and shock yellow colorway. I know, this is a very delayed review, but it's something I picked up not too long ago and I wanted to share it with you guys. So these Yung-1s originally dropped back in June, but we didn't see a wider release here in Canada until a few weeks ago. These retailed for $120 US or $160 here in Canada, and the official colorway for this shoe is high-res orange and shock yellow. If you guys haven't seen my previous review of the Adidas Yung-1, I'll add the link to that video down in the description box below. So with that video, I'll go more in depth about the history behind the Yung-1, the inspiration behind that, and all that good stuff. But for today, let's jump right into the shoe. So these Yung-1s is constructed using a wide variety of materials. The very base layer of the shoe is constructed using this high-res orange mesh. As you see on the toe box, we have different overlays of suede, so both in a combination of orange along with this navy blue color. This suede feels pretty soft and pretty buttery, and I was pretty happy with the quality. On the midfoot of both the lateral side as well as on the medial side of the shoe, we have the Adidas 3 stripes. This is done in a combination of shock yellow and navy blue. Along the back heel, we have this orange suede that wraps around the back along with this hit of navy blue suede. In terms of the laces, so these come standard with a flat style lace done in orange, and then underneath this we have the tongue, which is constructed using a base layer of orange mesh, and at the very top of the tongue we have this overlay of suede in orange and blue along with this Adidas branding embroidered in shock yellow. The inner liner of the shoe is constructed in orange, and then as we take a look at the insole, so these come with a decently padded navy blue insole with the Adidas branding on the heel done in shock yellow. So the upper of these Yung-1s sits atop this full-length foam midsole that has this very unique carved design found throughout the foam of the midsole. Turning these over to the bottom, so here we have your Yung-1 outsole. This is done in a combination of high-res orange with hits of shock yellow. We have this very aggressive arrow-shaped traction pattern found along the forefoot, and in the middle we have this TPU X-shaped design that gives you torsional support for the midfoot. Sizing-wise, so the Yung-1 does fit a little bit more on the bigger side. My feet measures as a true size 10, but I float somewhere between size 10 or 10.5 in most of my sneakers. For the Yung-1s, I picked these up in a size 10, and they were a little bit more on the roomier side, but I wouldn't have gone down to a 9.5. The size 10 gave me a pretty comfortable and relaxed fit. Comfort-wise, so the Adidas Yung-1 is comfortable, but it's not anything groundbreaking. There's no advanced technology like Adidas Boost on this shoe, but being a very well-padded shoe overall, it still gave me a very comfortable feel on feet. So with all that being said, now let me lace up these Adidas Yung-1s and show you guys how these look on feet. As I mentioned earlier in my other Yung-1 video, the Adidas Yung-1 is definitely one of my more favorite silhouettes to come out from Adidas in quite some time. I'm very excited to see future colorways for this shoe, and hopefully I'll be able to pick up both the Solebox collaboration as well as the Dragon Ball Z collaboration as well. Still, between this orange colorway and the red and navy blue colorway that I have, you can't go wrong with either of them. Obviously this one's going to be much louder on feet, but between the two I still love them both. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this high-res orange Adidas Yung-1. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on my Instagram at esco8, give me a follow on Twitter at sean.go, and follow my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.